Dear friends, a very good morning to one and all. Today I will explain about how to convert the given pushdown automata into context-free grammar. Already we know what is the meaning of pushdown automata, what is the meaning of context-free grammar. Now our aim is to convert the given pushdown automata into CFG. Okay, so PDA, pushdown automata, is a collection of 7 tuple, finite set of states, finite set of input symbols, transition function, starting state, set of final states. Psi indicates the stack alphabets. Z0 is the stack symbol, that means the stack starting symbol. Okay, so here in this particular problem, actually here I will consider one small problem. This is in PDA format. Now our aim is to convert this pushdown automata into context free grammar. Here we have 6 transition functions are there. Okay, in this particular problem, q0, q1 are the states, a comma b are the input symbols, delta is the transition function, q0 is the starting state, capital F is the final state. Here we don't want the final state. Okay, please leave it. So and a comma z0 are the stack symbols. So actually, suppose we will consider the transition function, the first column. Okay, the first fields are related to the states, second fields are related to the input symbols. So please observe here a b a. Okay, so these are the input symbols. So next third fields are related to the stack alphabets. Okay, so here the stack alphabets are Z0 A. Okay, that's why here we will indicate the stack alphabets. Psi means stack alphabets. Here the stack alphabets are a comma z0. So z0 is the stack starting symbol. Okay, initially the stack is available with the z0. Okay, so here we have 6 transition functions are there. Now my aim is to convert each transition function into suitable context free grammar. So actually, what is the meaning of context free grammar? Context free grammar is a collection of 4 tuples, finite set of variables, finite set of terminals, production rules, starting symbol. Okay, so what is the meaning of variable, what is the meaning of terminal? Already we know these things. Now my aim is to convert the above PDA transition functions into grammar. Okay, so mainly the grammar purely depends on the production rules. That's why from these 6 transition functions, now we will solve the production rules. Okay, so one by one I will consider and solve. Please observe that. So the first transition function, delta of q0 comma a comma z0 is equal to q0 comma a z0. Okay, this is the first transition function. Okay, so in this point of view, in the PDA to CFG conversion point of view, we will follow 3 rules. Now I will explain these rules also with the help of example. Okay, so please observe all the left hand side is only 3 fields. Okay, in each and every transition function, only 3 fields are there. But the right hand side, please observe that the first field is common. Okay, the first field is related to the states. What is the second field? Second field a z0. A is the input symbol, z0 is the stack symbols, stack alphabets. Okay, so a comma b are the input symbols, a comma z0 is the stack symbols. Okay, so the second field is related to the combination of input symbol and stack symbol. Okay, so mainly purely depends only on the second field of right hand side. Okay, that's why we will focus on that. Here in this field 2 characters are there, in this 1 character is there, in this epsilon means something is there. Okay, so but the string length is 0. Okay, so here 2 characters are there, here 1 character is there, here 0, string length 0. Okay, so now we will solve with the help of this production rule, with the help of this transition function. Now we will solve the production rules. Okay, so how many production rules are available from this transition function purely depends on the right hand side second field. Here we have two characters, that's why from this production rule we will get the, from this transition function we will get the 4 production rules. Okay, so now we will try to solve these production rules, these 4 production rules from this transition function. Okay, please observe, it's very simple, some logic is also there. Okay, so production rule means left hand side is there and right hand side is also there. Okay, so from this transition function we will solve the 4 production rules. Okay, that's why I will consider 4. Okay, for left hand side this is the right hand side. Okay, so simply, okay, so this is the transition function. Now we will write it very simple. Okay, please observe how to write. So here the first one is the q naught, please place here q naught, q naught, q naught, q naught. Okay, so as it is this line. Now the second field is this one. Okay, here the middle field is stack symbol. Okay, z naught, z naught, z naught, z naught. Okay, so what is the third field, how we will get this one? So this one we will get the, with the help of the states. Here what are the states? q0 and q1 are the states. Okay, so simply we will write q0 q0, q1 q1. Okay, so because here we have 2 states, that's why we will write 2 times q0, 2 times q1. It's very simple. Okay, so this is the left hand side. Now our aim is right hand side. Okay, so how we will write the right hand side? Please observe. So whatever the middle field is there, simply write here a. Okay, so now the right hand side, please observe here. So here a z naught is there, that's why we will write 2 square brackets. Okay, in each and every production rule we will write 2 square brackets. Now our aim is to fill these 2 square brackets, okay, with the help of 3 fields. So please observe here how we will write this. So simply whatever is there, please substitute q naught, q naught, q naught, q naught. Okay, so here also same q naught, q naught. Please wait. Okay, here. Okay, so only one time we will write here. Okay, so now what is the middle field? Here the middle field is a, because this one a. Okay, so now what is the third field? Third field is actually what are the states? q0 q1. Okay, so simply q0 q1, q0 q1. Okay, so now another square bracket is there, simply whatever write in this third field we will write in the first field. Okay, q0 q1, q0 q1. So this one is this one same. Okay, now the middle field is this one, z0, 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 z0. Okay, so now to fill the third field, what is the third field? Whatever we write in the left hand side third field, okay, same we will write, this one is here. So q naught, q naught, q1, q1. Okay, this is the process. It's very simple, but some complication is also there. Okay, with the help of this transition function we will get the 4 production rules. Now we will solve the second one. We will consider the second transition function, that is delta of q naught comma b comma a is equal to q1 comma a. Okay, so here only one character is there, right hand side only one character is there. That's why here we will get only 2 power 1 production rules. 2 power 1 means 2 production rules. Okay, so I will consider 2 production rules. Okay, so what is the left hand side? Simply this one is the left hand side, q naught, q naught. What is the middle field? This is the middle field, a. Okay, what is the third field? Third field is came from states. What are the states here? q naught and q1 are the states. So here we have only 2 possibilities. That's one we will write one time q naught and another time q1. Okay, so now what is the right hand side? Right hand side is this one. Okay, so here only one character is there. That's why the right hand side is also only one square bracket. In the first transition function we have 2 characters. That's why we will consider 2 square brackets. One is for a, one is for z naught. Here only one character is there. That's why we will mention only one square bracket. Okay, so now what is the first field? So the first field is same, q1, q1. What is the second field? Second field is this one, small a, small a. What is the third field? Whatever we will write in the left hand side. Okay, so that is the third field, q naught, q1. Okay, so up to now we get 6 production rules from the first transition function. 1, 2, 3, 4 production rules. Now we get the another 2, 6 one. Okay, so now what is the third transition function? The third transition function is delta of q1 comma a is equal to q1 comma epsilon. Okay, so here epsilon means 0. That means 2 power 0, only one production is there. Okay, so only one production is there. What is that? So same, first one is the first one, last one. What is the third one? So here we will write the state whatever the right hand side available, that is we will write here. Okay, because here epsilon means 2 power 0, 0 means nothing. That's why we will consider this one. So next we will consider the right hand side as small a. Okay, because this is the middle field of transition function is we will consider the right hand side. Okay, so this is the 7th production rule. Now we will consider the 4th transition function, that is delta of q naught comma a is equal to q naught comma a. Okay, so here a means we get the 4 production rules. So because 2 characters are there, that's why we get 4 production rules. Okay, so what is the first field? q naught is the first field. What is the second field? So this is the second field. What is the third field? So here we have 2 states, q naught and q1. That's why simply we will consider that one. So the right hand side, small a. Okay, so here we have two characters, that's why we will mention two square brackets. Okay, so here we will simply write q naught, q naught, q naught, q naught. First character small a, small a, small a, small a. Okay, what is the third field here? Here we have two states, q naught, q1. Simply consider. So whatever we write here, here also we will mention the same state. Okay, what is the second field? The second character, small a, small a, small a, small a. What is the third field? Third field is whatever right here. Okay, q naught, q naught, q1, q1. Okay, so here we have two characters are there, that's why we get four production rules. Now we will consider the fifth one, fifth transition function, delta of q1 comma b comma a is equal to q1 comma a. Here we have one character, that's why we get two production rules. What is the starting state? q1, q1. What is the middle one? a, a. So here we have two states, q naught, q1. Simply consider here b, b. So here we have only one character, that's why we will consider only one square bracket. So q1, q1. So small a, whatever we write here, we will mention the third field, q naught, q1. So sixth production rule, sixth transition function, q1 comma epsilon comma z naught is equal to q1 comma epsilon. So here epsilon means 0, 2 power 0 means 1 production rule. So q1 z naught, q1 epsilon. It's very simple. Okay, total how many productions are there? So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. From 6 transition functions we get the, from first transition function we get the 4, from the second we get the 2 production rules, from the third one 1, from the fourth one 4 production rules, from the fifth one 2 production rules, from the sixth one 1 production rule. Okay, this is the conversion of PDA to CFG conversion. Thank you very much.